Hi there, let's take a look at your submission for the Chapter 1 mid-level. In the My IT Lab system for our class, you currently have two submissions. I deleted one of the submissions. Your first submission has a higher score than your second submission. So I want you to advance to the My IT Lab system, take a look at your results, and then make sure you're looking at your results for your first submission. And it'll say here, submission number 1 of 2. Okay, then on the right-hand side, I want you to click on Download Submitted File. This will give you a clean copy of the file that was submitted at that first submission. I've already done that, and I have the file open here in Excel. Now let's go ahead and walk through the corrections that you can make to earn yourself a higher score on this one. All right, let's take a look here. So in the system, it says step number 4, it gave you 8 out of the 10 points, and I think this is the one that we did together in class, where E5 through E12, the format category is not set to number, and the decimal places need to be set to 0. Okay, so once you download your submitted file and you open it in Excel, make sure that the sheets are not grouped. Click on the Houses Sold sheet, select E5 through E12. From the Home tab, I'm going to bring this down just a little bit. From the Home tab, in the middle here in the number group, click the down arrow and choose the number formatting style, and then use the decrease decimal command. Click that twice, 1, 2, to remove the decimals. Okay, back to the results. That should be everything to earn back the points there. Let's take a look at step 11. It says select rows 5 through 12 and set a height to 25 and apply middle align. So it didn't give you almost any points. So let's take a look at that right off the bat. So I'm in Houses Sold. I'm going to select rows 5 through 12, and you have to do the entire row. So click right on the number 5, click, hold, drag through the number 12, release your mouse. Okay, from the Home tab, here in the alignment group, we're going to choose the middle align. So that one, the middle align button. And what was the other thing? I can't remember. What was the other thing? Oh, apply a row height of 25. Okay, so back here in Excel, row 5 through 12 is still selected. I'm from the Home tab. I'm going to go over and choose the Format command and choose row height. You have the 25. That's good. So click OK. All right, then that should award you back all the points for that one. Is there anything else? That might be it. Yeah, you did a really good job. Make those corrections, save your Excel worksheet, upload it to the My IT Lab system, and see what your score is, and let me know if you have any questions at all.